Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to delve into the process of data cleaning. When it comes to removing unnecessary columns, there are several methods at your disposal. It's worth noting that within the Power Query Editor, there are typically different ways to achieve the same result. The method that I'm going to use to remove columns that are not needed is by navigating to the Home tab at the top. You'll find an option called Choose Columns. Select Choose Columns from the drop-down menu. This action will prompt a dialog box to appear in the center of your screen, allowing you to specify which columns to include and which ones to exclude. An advantageous aspect of using this approach becomes apparent when you're working with an extensive dataset containing many columns. The search functionality becomes your best friend for column removal. If you need to locate a specific column, simply type its name, and the system will promptly display the column you wish to either include or exclude. In today's example, we'll focus on eliminating 3 specific columns. These columns include cert, acquiring institution, and fund. Once you unselect these 3 columns and click OK, you'll observe a reduction in the number of columns displayed on the screen. As we implement these modifications and apply transformations to our dataset, on the right-hand side of your screen, you'll find a panel labeled Query Settings. Here, we can rename our query from its original name, Bank List, to a more suitable name, such as Failed Banks. Additionally, below this section, you can review all the data transformations you've made to your dataset until now. Now that we've successfully eliminated the unnecessary columns, our next step is to visualize this data on a map, allowing us to pinpoint the geographical locations of these failed banks. To achieve this, we'll start by merging 2 columns. This can be done using the Column from Example feature underneath the Add Column tab, which empowers you, as the query developer, to specify an example that reflects your desired end result. Now that we want to merge the city and state fields, we can use the Column from Example feature. By providing an example like city, state, Power BI will recognize the pattern and apply it to every row in our dataset. Once from all columns selected, a new blank column will appear on the right. Here, you can enter your example, such as Ackworth, GS, which is the abbreviation of Georgia, and press Enter. Power BI will intelligently understand your intent and replicate this for all rows, effectively combining the city and state. You also have the option to rename this column to City, State. After we renamed, simply click OK, and it creates a new column for us. In our next video, we'll dive into mQuery and explore some exciting data visualization techniques. Stay tuned for more insightful content. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out. Thanks for watching.